Namaskar students. In this video we will see how to calculate the HCF of two numbers. This is the introduction part only. So highest common factor is commonly referred as HCF. In earlier classes you have already learned the concept of computing HCF of two smaller integers. We just recall that approach with the help of one example. So I have taken two numbers here, two smaller integers 12 and 18, and we will try to find out the HCF using that approach which we have already learned. Fine. So in this 12 and 18, we will use these three words to calculate the HCF. First, we will start with the word factor. So we will calculate the factors of these numbers 12 and 18. Factor, we know the number or the divisor which divides the dividend completely. So we can see that the factors of 12 are 1. Obviously 1 is factor of every number. Then it is an even number, so it is exactly divisible by 2. So similarly we have calculated the factors of 12. Then we will calculate the factor of another number, that is 18. So we have calculated all the factors of 18. Fine. Then we will approach to the next word, that is common. So we will calculate the common factors out of among these numbers. So the common factors of these two numbers are 1, which are in red circle, 2, 3 and 6. Now if I suppose here we have three numbers, then we will calculate the factors of these three numbers, and then we will calculate the common factors among those numbers. So we have written the common factors. This is our second approach. Now the last word is highest. Now we will calculate the highest or the largest number among these common factors. So we can clearly observe that 6 is the highest or the largest number among these factors. So hence we can conclude the HCF of 12 and 18 is 6. Or we can understand in this way also that 6 is that largest number or that highest number which divides these two numbers completely. There are numbers which can divide 12 and 18 completely, like 1, 2, 3. But we are searching for the largest number. So 6 is the largest number. And for your information, HCF is also known as greatest common divisor, that is known as GCD. But the question arises that is this method is feasible to calculate the HCF of the larger integers. I mean that if instead of the number 12, if it is 126, and instead of 18, if it is 180. So is it feasible to calculate the factors in this way and HCF of these larger integers? So we will see in the next video in which we will try to find out the HCF of larger integers using Euclid's division algorithm. Thank you very much.